Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to make a healthy and delicious chicken and vegetable dish that's both balanced and appetizing? Today, we're introducing a delightful recipe that marries the rich flavors of chicken with the fresh goodness of vegetables. With key ingredients like cubed chicken breasts, olive oil, a medley of vegetables, and a hint of spices, this dish is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also packed with essential nutrients. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step method to prepare this mouth-watering dish. To start off, ensure all your ingredients are ready. Begin with the chicken, cutting it into small bite-sized cubes. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they will cook, so keep that in mind. Next, tackle the vegetables. Chop the onion and garlic finely. This will allow their flavors to infuse into the dish more effectively. Slice the green pepper and carrot into thin strips. The thinner they are, the faster they will cook, ensuring everything is ready at the same time. For the frozen peas, there's no prep needed. They can go straight in from the freezer. Now, for the eggs, crack 3 into a bowl and whisk them together with 3 tablespoons of skim milk. This will create a fluffy, light texture when we add them to the pan later. Season with your choice of grill spices, salt, and black pepper to taste. With all the ingredients set, we can now move on to the cooking process. The cooking process is straightforward and enjoyable. Let's get started. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. This will serve as the base for our flavorful dish. Once the oil is warm, add in the chopped medium-sized onion and crushed garlic clove. Stir these ingredients around until they become tender and translucent, releasing their wonderful aroma. This is the first layer of flavor for our dish. Next, add in the cubed chicken breasts. Stir the chicken around until it cooks thoroughly and turns a beautiful golden color. This not only ensures the chicken is safe to eat, but also enhances the dish's overall flavor. Now it's time to add in the vegetables. Toss in the sliced green pepper and medium-sized carrot. Stir these for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly. This step adds a vibrant color and a delightful crunch to our dish. Then, add the frozen peas and continue stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. The peas provide a sweet contrast to the savory chicken and spices. Speaking of spices, it's time to season our dish. Add a teaspoon of grill spices, salt, and black pepper to taste. Stir the ingredients well to ensure the spices are distributed evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 eggs and 3 tablespoons of skim milk. The eggs add protein to our dish, while the milk creates a creamy texture. Pour this egg and milk mixture into the pan and stir until it thickens and cooks. This step brings all the flavors and ingredients together, creating a balanced and hearty dish. With that, our healthy chicken and vegetable dish is ready to be served. You've just prepared a nutritious meal that's not only satisfying, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Remember, you can always adjust the ingredients based on your personal preferences and what you have on hand. Enjoy your meal. Now comes the best part, serving and enjoying the dish. This hearty chicken and vegetable concoction is best served hot, straight from the pan. To make it a well-rounded meal, you might consider pairing it with a side of brown rice or a slice of wholemeal bread. These grains not only add a delightful texture contrast, but also provide your body with essential fibers and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy throughout the day. Speaking of health benefits, this dish is a nutritional powerhouse. The chicken breast offers an excellent source of lean protein, vital for muscle growth and repair. The array of colorful vegetables, on the other hand, provides a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supporting overall health and boosting your immune system. But what's wonderful about this dish is its flexibility. Feel free to modify it based on your personal preferences or whatever you have on hand. Want to throw in some bell peppers or zucchini? Go ahead. Fancy some extra spices like cumin or chopped cilantro? By all means, add them. This is your dish after all. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. With the right ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can whip up a meal that's not only good for your body, but also satisfying to your palate. So there you have it, a healthy and delicious chicken and vegetable dish that's easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Enjoy your meal. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.